Hello students, good morning. In today's English class, we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of our new chapter is The Mumbai Musicians. We have finished the chapter I Am the Music Man in previous class. Now we are going to start a new chapter. Okay. So before starting this chapter, let us have a look at the pictures given to us in this chapter. In page number 128, there is a picture of donkey who carried something on his back, and there is a mark given on the road, and the mark is towards Mumbai. Now come to the second page. In the second page, there is a picture of donkey, and a dog is sitting on the back of donkey, and together they were talking with a cat. And in the third page, there is a picture of donkey, dog, cat, and cock. Okay, so there are three animals and one bird. And in the fourth page, they all sat in a round and barking, and they are dog, donkey, and cat. So let us read the chapter. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Guppu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from the farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. The farmer said to Guppu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Guppu smiled and said, "Goodbye." He set off towards the city of Mumbai. "I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there." Guppu thought that, "I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there." On the way, he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Duppu. Duppu is the name of that dog. "I am going to Mumbai to be a musician." "Would you like to come too?" asked Guppu. "Yes, I would," replied Duppu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. "Who are you?" they asked. "I am Fury, the cat," said the cat. The cat said that, "I am Fury, the cat." "Would you like to come with us to become a musician?" asked Guppu and Duppu together. "Oh, I would love to come along," replied Fury. So off went the three together to become Mumbai musicians. Soon they met Cuckoo, the cock. "I love music and wish to join your band." They all reached a house with a light. They were tired and hungry. They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. They decided to sing to let the people inside know that they were musicians. Okay. They sang. The people inside thought that ghosts had come to scare them. They ran away as fast as they could. Guppu, Duppu, and Fury went into the house and ate the food till they could eat no more. So this is your chapter. You have to read this chapter thrice and write a single page handwriting or write a practice writing on your copy, and then you have to find out all the difficult words or all the hard words that you can't pronounce in your copy, and we were going to discuss these things in next class. So thank you and have a nice day.